Hello, and welcome to the Academic Success Center's online tutorial of D2L. D2L stands for Desire to Learn, and it is the learning management system that houses NFCC's online and supplemental face-to-face courses. Your instructor will use D2L to post course announcements, assignments, online quizzes, discussions, and grades. Many of your instructors will require you to post or turn in your assignments via the Dropbox on D2L. You will also be able to view some news items that NFCC will post campus-wide. This short tutorial will provide you with a general introduction to D2L. To get started, you will need internet access, and then you will need to open a web browser and type in www.nfcc.edu. On the home page, you can find the My NFCC in the top hand right corner and click the link there to open the web page to D2L. Or if the My NFCC does not show up in your right hand corner, you may scroll down all the way to the bottom of the home page and find My NFCC in a maroon tab. Your Welcome to My NFCC page should look like this. If you're a first-time user using My NFCC, click on the first-time user located above the student tabs to create an account. Once you're done creating your account, you may then log in. Note that there is also a reset password option for if you are unable to access your D2L using the password you're trying. My NFCC has access to several different applications with the Desire to Learn Gmail, the NFCC Virtual Bookstore, also known as ecampus.com, DegreeWorks, and Microsoft Office 365, as well as eBanner. To open D2L, you need to select the Desire to Learn tab. If you have trouble logging in, click on the highlighted Clear Cookies and Cache tab for more instructions on how to clear cookies and the cache. D2L has a new single sign-on. To sign on, you need to enter your username, which is the first part of your NFCC email address, and then you need to enter your password. Remember Me on this computer may be selected on personal computers to keep you signed in. This is what your D2L homepage will look like. Note your name in the top right corner. To the sidebar is important dates, such as upcoming tests, last days to withdraw, applications for graduation deadlines, and etc. may be posted here. You may also view the course calendar, club news, and additional links. In the top left corner is the home button for your D2L. Below that is a toolbar with other items such as content, edit course, rubrics, surveys, link to smart thinking, a virtual classroom, and a locker. Below that you will see the News tab. The News tab is where information regarding campus-wide activities will be posted there. Below will list your course materials. This is where your current semester courses will be located. To view all courses, select View All Courses. Once you have found the course that you want to open, select that course. You can find the additional courses located towards the top right to the left of the envelope icon. It will provide a drop-down menu of all the courses you're currently enrolled in. After you select the course that you wish to view, you will see the course homepage, which will look similar to this one. Your personal instructor for that course will have their own news items listed. News and calendar items will be listed under the News tab. Your instructor will use this course homepage to post news and announcements related to the course. These may indicate when next assignments are due, upcoming tests, as well as general information related to your course. The course calendar located to the right will also indicate due dates for assignments and tests. The navigation bar, located near the top of the page, will be able to provide you quick access to where your grades, content, discussions, Dropbox, quizzes, checklists, rubrics, and smart thinking are. If you would like to switch from another course, you do not need to log completely out of D2L and re-log in. You can either go back to your home page by clicking the house icon to the left of My NFCC, or you can click the grid to select a course again. Once you select your name, you may be able to have a list of options such as your profile, your notifications, and your account. Always remember to log out after you have finished using D2L, especially when using a public computer. If you need more help with D2L, contact our friendly staff in the Academic Success Center for assistance. You may also drop by and see us in the Tutor Lab. We are located in Building 4 in the library. Or you can contact us by phone. Phone number is 850-973-1719. Thank you and have a wonderful day.